The other thing you want to use in your post is the @ symbol. The @ symbol is a great way of tagging other people, right? So if I want to tag my wife in a photo of our kids, I would put @Christina Montalenti. This is not only tagging her, but it actually helps show up on her feed as well, so her friends can see the post as well. It's a great way to give thanks to people, to give credit to people, and actually to work in a collaborative way with each other to get more reach, okay? You're actually getting to reach more people that way. So check out the @signs, check out the hashtags, and let me give you just one more tip that I think is pretty useful. A little more advanced, but you can actually, let's say, post an open house or post a property. And in the post, you can actually write about where they could find more information about that property. And you can refer to the link in the bio. Now this is becoming a well-known thing, that referring to the link in the bio means going to the bio to find the link. Now, different than Facebook, Instagram doesn't allow you to put links directly in the post. So you have to refer to the bio link, but you can change that bio link based on today's post. So if today you're posting about a property, the link in the bio could be a link to that property. If tomorrow you're posting about an open house, the link in the bio could be a link to that open house. You can change this link all the time, but it's a great way to offer people another way to get more information about the post that you just made. Feel free to reach out to us with any questions. Definitely subscribe to our channel. We're here for you to provide value, and we hope you enjoy all of this, so please comment below and let us know.